All right, guys, we are fresh out of videos, so the only thing we had left was for them to play a game of skate, and we're gonna shoot water balloons at them. Yes. Apparently I'm the only person that is excited. We are going to shoot them at Rowan. He's gonna have the shield, and we're gonna shoot them at Rowan after they play the game of skate. We'll shoot one as a test, but why don't you guys Rochambeau and we'll see who goes first. Wow, what a game. Fetty goes first. I mean, it's really only one balloon per trick, and I've never shot this before, and I don't think the aim on this is super good, so I'm a little worried we're not gonna hit them at all, but let's see what happens. All right, Rowan, literally stand like right here. It's the only way we're gonna make sure to hit you. Now. Let's do another test. Don't hold it so tight, you guys. I think that might be part of the reason. Yeah, there you go. Oh no! We somehow missed. Okay, that's it.
You're in the same mood zone.
Oh yes! Please tell me that was awesome.
That was solid. I felt forced. That was gnarly.
Finally, a good idea. Okay, you ready?
Yes. Oh my goodness. That's intense.
Is it? Over the Braille house?
It's a mortar.
There's an apartment building on the other side. No, we're gonna play a game of skate.
I thought I was gonna launch it at Rowan.
Okay.
I'm scared for my nuts.
Literally evaporated. It just gone, just disintegrated.
I'm scared for my nuts.
Let the games begin. Oh no! Who's next? We don't have that many. Go! Your back is facing it. Oh no! He didn't do the trick! Okay, here's the rule. You have to do the trick within that area right there. We'll give him a rebate. Go ahead. Oh! He kick flipped. I kind of hit him. Oh wait, I don't know that we need it that tight. When it's that tight, it just snaps the balloon, doesn't launch it.
What?
Oh no! How did I miss him? How did I miss him? Oh no, his new pants! You see it? It's pinching it this way. You gotta lessen up. Why so high? I gotta hit somebody, like a legit balloon. This is not really per the rules of the game. Oh yeah, Fetty.
Dude, that literally would have killed Carlos.
No, it wouldn't. It's just a balloon. Rowan, will you just stand there and let us hit you with a balloon so they can see that it's not that big of a deal? You're back though.
Oh, my back?
Did that hurt or not? Was that okay?
Dude, Aaron, you nailed that aim, dude.
Oh no! Gabe, it's really backfired. I pulled it back way too far. It's the weakest game of skate ever.
Oh, that was high.
Yeah, close.
Oh, dude, I think I know how to do it, though.
Again, same thing. You gotta lead them. Look, I'm from Montana. I know how to shoot deer, Gus.
You gotta lead it. Dude, you're doing too much.
Get out of here.
I have to skate in this, so I get to
Okay, go, shoot. It goes whoosh. Okay, watch. Oh, tell me that was not it. It would have been the best tray flip ever. Grab me another balloon, just so when they're not expecting it, I'll just whoosh. That's his plan? Yes! Oh! Finally, a real contact. And my life is now complete. Okay, don't worry, Mario's shooting it, so you're fine. Oh. See? Land it so your front side is facing the balloon launcher. Should we like angle it a little bit?
No!
Not to you, Gabe. Oh, bro! I'm glad that you guys' aim is so good. Oh!
That's a good one.
Are there like letters occurring, or are we just shooting people? No, we're playing to TE. No! Daniel tried to sneak in a trick there. I'm gonna nail him on this one. Oh, not even close. This is one of the easier game of skates we had planned, to be honest. Mario, can you go close that door? Okay, just close the door. He ran in there. Close the door. Okay, fine. Aim, aim. Wow.
Oh, that went way too far.
Can you guys get Fetty a letter already? I was on my game there for a minute. Oh! I swear it was through his legs. Wow, that was unbelievable.
It went under my foot.
Oh! He keeps going over there.
Oh! It almost slapped him right in the nuts.
Wait, how many more do we have left?
We have quite a few.
The losers have to take one to the back.
I love that you throw that in right at the end.
Go. Now. He's not ready.
Get him.
Gotta redo it. Get your board, Fetty.
I'm a professional launcher from the San Francisco Bay Area.
Yeah, that's a professional launcher.
Fully roasted me. Not so far back.
Oh, that was...
I love when it hits the door. You got it? Oh! We need to go just a little bit higher to get their back.
Why does it go down?
Rowans are just... Yeah.
Alright, I got the launch him, people.
One more trick?
Yeah, it's your turn, Aaron.
All right. It grazed me, yeah. Mario's gonna miss this, 100% guaranteed. Told you. So beyond not even close. Oh, wow. That was just mean at this point. Fetty took so much joy in that though. Look at his face, look at him.
Oh!
Did you?
Oh my goodness.
Did you get it filmed, Gabe?
Yeah.
It made this noise like whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
You gotta see what it felt like.
Yeah. Fetty's looking at me, he's going, just like, that was the most exciting thing I think you've ever done. Well played. You didn't even get a letter. That was bad. That was bad. Daniel? Got him. That's definitely the apartment building. We're not shooting that way again. He's not gonna come out. He's just gonna poke his little head. Go see if he's there, Troy. Go. Okay, good job getting the ladders, Mario. You're a real big help.
Where are we launching this? Up high?
Straight up. Oh yeah!
Get under it.
Oh, car. Oh, that's not our car. Oh no, oh no. This is the last one. Oh yes, there it is, catch it.
Catch it, catch it.
Yes.
Yeah, you're...
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to make. We hope you guys are having a blast learning how to skateboard. Check out all of these other videos right here, and then you can get anything skateboard related at brailleskateboarding.com. Get your skateboard, get your learn how to skateboard video, and learn how to skateboard and have fun
And
like
much
Fetty.
more.
And much more. Daily videos. Subscribe, like, and you know what to do. Leave the comment below.
Yes.